Hello dear children. Today in EVS we are going to do second part of chapter 7 from the window. We had already started this chapter last week and today we are going to continue with it. So as I told you, it is continuation of 6th chapter. Omana is going to visit her grandmother who lives in Kerala and she is writing a diary of her journey. So let us read the diary and then we'll discuss what all she goes through. This is the diary entry of 17th May. She writes, "Later I was sitting near the window with my eyes closed. Suddenly the sound of the moving train changed." So all of a sudden she was lying down with her eyes closed and all of a sudden the sound of the train changed. I opened my eyes. Guess what I saw? So she was all of a sudden sound changed, so she was very surprised and she looked out from the window. Our train was crossing a very big river on a very long bridge. So why had the sound changed? Because the train was passing through over a river, and when the train passes over a river it has to go by a bridge. As it was crossing the bridge, it sounded very different because it was crossing using a bridge. The sound was very different. The wheel rattled as there was no ground, only the tracks and the water down below. So the wheels were making a rattling sound. Rattling sound means gad 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 gad. A different kind of sound they were making. When I first looked down, I felt giddy. It was really quite scary. So she was feeling very scared. The river down below was full of water and had some boats. In the river, there was a lot of water and there were some boats also moving in the river. This is what she saw down in the river. I could see some fishermen. Of course, because it was a river, there were boats, there were fishermen also. So she saw all these things. You can see in the picture, some vehicles are going over a bridge. This is a cement bridge. Now this train is also going over a bridge. Now bridge for a train is different from the bridge for other vehicles. Okay, trains need rails to move on, so their bridges are entirely different and they are specially for trains only. On the banks I waved at them, but I did not know if they could see me. Omana was sitting in the train and she waved at the sailors and at the fishermen from the window. But she says, I don't know if they could see me. Could they see her? The person in the train can see people outside. But those who are outside, they cannot see the people moving in the train. Because it is very difficult. Alongside a bridge, there was another bridge for buses and cars. So this is what she is saying. There was another bridge for buses and cars. This was built differently from ours. Means our train's bridge was different in the build also, and that bridge was different. I think going over our bridge was more adventurous. So she's saying going over the bridge, that train bridge, was more adventurous, was more exciting for her. Now children, when we are reading about bridge, let us revise that in chapter 1 we have studied about the types of bridge and what a bridge is. Once again we'll revise. What is a bridge? A structure built over a river, road or a railway. कहाँ बना होता है वो? रिवर के ऊपर होता है ब्रिज, या किसी रोड के ऊपर होता है, और रेलवे उसके ऊपर होता है. टू अलाउ पीपल एंड व्हीकल्स टू मूव from one end to the other. And this bridge, it allows the people, it helps the people to move from one end to the other. So we had studied about three basic bridges, rope bridge, bamboo bridge and cement bridge. ये bridge हमने तीन तरह के पढ़े थे. Isn't ये picture में आपको दिख रहे हैं? These are bamboo bridges. So I hope याद आ गया होगा आपको क्या पढ़ा था हमने. This is the other kind of bridge we read about, rope bridge. ये दो mountains वगैरह को connect करता है, where construction is not possible, like you can see in the picture. इन mountains के बीच में, इन areas में construction is not possible, so rope bridges are used. And cement bridges are those which are commonly seen. ये हम भी अक्सर आप travel करते होंगे, छोटे भी होते हैं, बड़े भी होते हैं. We often come across these bridges. These are cement bridges. Generally vehicles के लिए ये bridges ही use होते हैं. Now when we are doing about bridge, one GK fact that you should know, it is the Pamban Bridge, the India's first sea bridge. River के ऊपर तो रेल bridges होते हैं, but sea के ऊपर भी there are certain bridges, and India had its first sea bridge at in the south. It is there. Name is Pamban Bridge, and this bridge connects India with Rameshwaram Island. So इंडिया को ये रामेश्वरम आइलैंड समुद्र के बीच में बना हुआ है, उससे कनेक्ट करने के लिए ये ब्रिज बनाया गया है. इसका नाम है पंबन ब्रिज, एंड इट वाज द इंडियाज फर्स्ट सी ब्रिज. ओके, तो रिमेंबर दिस. देयर इज one more sea bridge in India. The longest sea bridge is that one, and you will find answer to that question. Okay, today that is a question for you to find about. Is it okay? So Pamban Bridge India का first sea bridge है. देखो मैं Now coming to the next day, the last few hours have been so exciting. After breakfast, I climbed onto the upper berth to read my comics. So now it is the last few hours of her journey. She climbed to the upper berth of the train to read her comic. It was bright and sunny outside. Suddenly, everything became dark. It was very bright outside, but all of a sudden, everything became dark. Why did everything become dark? Then the lights to the train came on. All of a sudden it was daytime, but then all of a sudden what happened? It became dark, and all the lights of the train were switched on. Why did this happen? Because the train was moving through a tunnel. We have entered a tunnel. This goes right through the mountain. Tunnel is going through the mountain. As you can see in the picture, in the mountain a passage is created. कभी कभी जाते जाते ट्रेन के रास्ते में कोई माउंटेन आ जाती है, तो माउंटेन के थ्रू पैसेज बनाया जाता है फॉर द ट्रेन. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ टनल. तो दे वर गोइंग थ्रू अ टनल, एंड इनसाइड द टनल इट इज़ वेरी डार्क, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ये तो अंडरग्राउंड पैसेज है. सो दिन में भी रात जैसा लगता है. सो लाइट्स वर स्विच्ड ऑन. द टनल सीम टू गो ऑन, and then just as suddenly we were in daylight again. Outside it was sunny. So when the tunnel passes over, जब ख़त्म हो जाती है तो again it became bright and sunny. The train had crossed the tunnel. Appa explained that we were on the other side of the mountain. So when the tunnel started, they were at one side of the mountain, and when they went through the टनल उनको माउंटेन के दूसरे साइड में लेकर आ गई थी. Since then we have passed through 4 smaller tunnels. उसके बाद और 4 smaller छोटी tunnels भी आई. Now I am enjoying going through the tunnels. So there are many tunnels on the way from Goa to Kerala, because there are many small hills over there, so there are many tunnels also. Now you should know what a tunnel is. Tunnel is an underground passage. Underground रास्ता किसी भी चीज़ का, उसको कहते हैं tunnel. A tunnel may be built through a hill or under a building or a road. हिल के बीच में से भी हो सकता है, किसी बड़ी बिल्डिंग के बीच से नीचे से भी हो सकता है अंडरग्राउंड वे, या रोड के नीचे से भी हो सकता है. So you can see some such pictures here. Now there is a question in the book. The route from Goa to Kerala has a total of 2000 bridges. कितने bridges हैं रास्ते में? 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? इतने bridge और tunnel क्यों हैं गोवा से केरला के रास्ते में? Why? The route from Goa to Kerala has sea coast. जब गोवा से स्टार्ट किया था तो वहाँ sea coast था. Many water bodies and hills. बहुत सारे water bodies means rivers, ये सब पड़े रास्ते में, and hills were also there. So there are so many bridges. इसीलिए इतने सारे bridges और tunnels होते हैं. If bridges and tunnels were not there, अगर नहीं होते तो this journey would have been very difficult. तब ये journey बहुत ज़्यादा difficult हो जाती है. Okay, so tunnels and bridges are required for certain places. Otherwise तो distance भी बहुत long हो जाता है and it would have been very difficult for people to travel easily. Now coming to the next part. After the tunnel, now it is afternoon. For lunch we had idli vada that we bought from Udupi station. Now they are reaching Kerala. As we move from one place to the other, everything changes. Food habit एक स्टेट का दूसरा होता है, दूसरे स्टेट का अलग होता है. Slight differences, gradually धीरे धीरे करके differences आ रहे हैं. They had started from Gujarat. गुजरात में दूसरी चीज़ें खाई जाती थी. People wear different types of clothes. They speak in Gujarati. They have a different lifestyle. Here it is different. Now they are reaching Kerala. So everything related to Kerala is coming now. For lunch we had idli vada. Idli vada is the famous dish of Kerala. So they had that. We bought from Udupi station. There is a station called Udupi. वहाँ की इडली, वहाँ का साउथ इंडियन cuisine बहुत famous है, तो वहाँ से उन्होंने लिया था. We also bought some bananas. Bananas of Kerala are also famous. They are small in size and very tasty. They are very sweet. Okay, so those small yellow sweet bananas they have in Kerala. They purchased those bananas. The scene outside has changed again. Now the outside scene has changed. You must be remembering Goa में scene अलग तरह का था. Now the scene is different. Now we can see many coconut trees and green fields everywhere. सब जगह क्या कौन सी trees दिख रही हैं? Coconut trees or green fields. Everywhere it's green and green and green. So Kerala is a very green land. Okay, it's green most of the places, and coconut trees of Kerala are also very famous. Actually Kerala got its name Kerala from that only. It got its name from two words, Keram and Alam. Keram means coconut, Alam means land. So a land of coconuts is Kerala. Amma says that these are paddy fields. Paddy means धान, जिसमें से राइस निकलता है. So the fields are paddy fields. The houses in villages look very different. Houses and villages are also, look of the house is also different. People's clothes are also different from what we see in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad में लोग अलग तरह के ड्रेसेस पहनते थे. Here people are wearing different dresses. Most people are wearing white or cream colored dhotis and saris. ज़्यादातर लोग white या cream color की धोती या साड़ी पहने हैं. Many people who were with us from Ahmedabad have got off. People have also got onto the train from different stations. So when a train moves, some people whose destination station comes, they get down, and others who want to go further, they also board the train. So people are side by side getting off and getting on the train. Sunil's family is getting off at Kozhikode. Sunil, I hope you remember, she made friends with Sunil in the train. She was going to Kozhikode. So Kozhikode had come, and Sunil's family is getting off the train, which comes at around 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, Kozhikode would come. We have exchanged addresses and plan to meet in Ahmedabad. You will also like Sunil and Anne. So, when in the train, whenever we make some friends, when we part off, जब हम अलग होते हैं, तो we must take their address, we must take their phone numbers so that we can continue with our friendship. So this is what Omana and Sunil also did. They exchanged address. हम लेते हैं ना, address लेते हैं अपने friend का, उसका phone number लेते हैं, we can contact them. So this is what she did. So they have come to Kerala now. Kerala is also known as God's own land. ये बात हम याद रखेंगे. केरला को क्या कहते हैं? God's own land. Because it is said that it is sort of favored by God. ठीक है, भगवान को शायद बहुत पसंद होगा. So God has favored Kerala with his very special blessing. So Kerala is called God's own land. It's a very beautiful place in the south, and whenever we get a chance, we must try to visit this place. Now at the end of today's class, I want you to find answers to these questions. These are two questions I am giving. Try to find answers to these. First is, what is the name of the longest sea bridge in India? In India, what is the name of the longest sea bridge? When I was teaching, I told you about Pambam Bridge, but it is not the longest bridge. Longest sea bridge दूसरा है, उसका नाम आपको पता करना है. Okay. Second is, where is the longest railway tunnel in India? इंडिया में बहुत सारे रेलवे टनल्स हैं. सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट रेलवे टनल जो है वो कहाँ पर है, and how long is it? Try to find out these answers today. Okay, thank you children.